Hi, it's Cindy and Jan on the back roads. We're in Greenville, Ohio, downtown at the Backyard Botanicals. And as you know, we go all over, and we can promise you there's not another store that we've ever found like this in the area. If you're looking for a unique gift for someone who likes to make things themselves, or for yourself, why not give a gift certificate from this wonderful store? This store is located downtown Greenville, right across from the Visitor Center, and is owned by herbalist Andrea Hodge.
This store is a herbal apothecary. I've got over 150 different dried herbs, and they're all organic or wildcrafted. I've also got hydrosols, carrier oils, butters, waxes, salts, so they help you make your own medicines and stuff.
Okay.
I've also got pre-made tinctures, local honey, some soaps, and expanding what I have in the store all the time. And I'm going to be starting to offer classes.
That's
people
great.
People want to learn more about herbalism here soon. Oh yeah, I actually do have books in the back too. So
Oh, yeah, wonderful.
lots of books for resources for people to learn about herbalism as well. And I'm working on coming up with some different classes and class schedules here. So hope to offer those to people soon too.
How did you get into this?
I've slowly gotten into it over the years. Actually, I used to be a landscape designer at one time, so I already knew a lot about plants. And after some, health issues of my own, I started, researching more natural ways to deal with it. And then, I've always liked the plants. I just got more and more into that. And then I officially started studying herbalism. Been taking classes online off and on over the years, so I'm still working on becoming a clinical herbalist. Hopefully I'll have that done sometime early to mid next year, and then I can actually start having consultations with people as well
wonderful.
about their health concerns.
So what is a hydrosol?
Hydrosol is a water they're made similarly to essential oils. You take the plant material and water and you steam distill them, and then you collect that water, and then you can use it for personal care items, so like a light perfume or body splash, toner. I use it for hair refreshing spray as well. You can even use it as like a linen spray around your house and stuff too. So you get similar like aromatherapy properties and also the plant properties as well.
Very cool. Do you want to walk us through your shop and show us what everything is?
Sure. So most everything here is in bulk as well. So if you want to bring in your own containers or bottles, you can do that. If not, I also have bottles that you can purchase and also then reuse. And since sustainability is also an important thing to me, the paper bags that I have for the herbs are fully compostable. You don't need an industrial composting facility. Just pull off the tin tide. You can actually put it in your own compost
That's
pile,
great.
and it'll break down. Got local honey and some organic essential oils on the shelves here. On this side, I've got some tinctures. I'm not able to start making these items yet myself. I have some more stuff with some more approvals and stuff I have to get. But the ones I do have are from either a place in Pennsylvania that grows the herbs and makes the tinctures themselves. And all the mushroom tinctures come from a place in Dayton that also
Is that the
Guided by Mushrooms.
Yes, yeah, I've met him. He's cool.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I have their tinctures and actually some of their mushroom seasonings as well.
Okay, very cool.
Oh, and here are your hydrosols
Yeah,
you're
so
talking about.
I got the hydrosols on this side, so they're really good. They're great. They smell great. They're good for your skin and body and stuff. And I really like the Bugs Away one because it's a good option if you don't want to use, DEET.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to use DEET.
No.
Wow.
And then, so over here, then on this side, there's, some aloe, some Castile soap, and like the vegetable glycerin and witch hazel. Vegetable glycerin is typically used to make alcohol-free tinctures, because most of the time tinctures are made with alcohol, but it's an option if you don't want the alcohol. The center table here is all different carrier oils. We've got a decent variety. Just recently got in organic castor oil, which has been hard because it got TikTok famous. So
It's hard to find.
It is hard to find.
yeah, so I finally got some organic extra virgin castor oils on the other side of the table.
That's nice to know. I've had people looking for it. You been thinking about carrying any of the plants at all since you're botanical?
I'm not sure about actually carrying live plants. Prints, maybe, yeah. Yeah, I'm not, I like the old prints, like I've got them for decoration. And then, I've got some different waxes and butters and then different, stuff to make products with. On this side, I've got different salts. Of course, the other big popular seller lately has been the magnesium flakes that you can make your own magnesium spray, which is really simple to make. Yeah, little lounge area for right
Yeah,
now.
that's nice too. And all your books.
Yeah, so got books here.
I'm a soap maker, so this is interesting to me.
Yeah. Yeah, books here, and then the wall of herbs, which actually in this blank space here, the shelves will be expanding because they're very proud of the moment. So.
Very cool. You'll have some really great classes, I'm sure.
Yep. So.
Wow, we're impressed. As a former soap maker myself, it's great to find things like this in bulk and you only have to buy what you need and you can bring your own containers. That is an awesome service. And she's very knowledgeable. So that's another big plus. It's not just walking into a store and finding something on a shelf. You've got somebody here who actually knows about the products. Wonderful resource. Wonderful to have this business in Greenville. It's also great to be able to get the books right here and the bottles. How cool is that? So if you're someone that loves to cook and make your own herb spices or like to make your bath and body products, she's got it all here. Great resource. We highly recommend you stop in and see her and tell her you saw our video. We'd appreciate that. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We also have a Facebook page and we share a lot of additional information on our Facebook page. And as always, if you know someplace great that we should check out, please let us know. Cindy and I are always up for a trip on the back roads, and we hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.